Hey guys, Jake Knuppel here.
Scott Bonovich.
We are here at Mortgage Nerds LLC. Today we're going to talk about a couple things. One, time is of the essence, right? In this market that we're kind of adapting to over the summer, even late spring, everything was kind of moving with the COVID.
Yep.
Things kind of slowed down a little bit, and now they're starting to ramp up. But things are going very, very quickly. So Scott, let's go into detail about what should a borrower really do right away if they're looking to buy.
Yeah, I mean, if you're in the purchase market right now, number one, obviously, you cannot go into this market without knowing that you're pre-approved, how much you're pre-approved for, what loan program you're going to be doing, all of those things. You have to have all your ducks in a row because you literally could go see a property and have to put an offer in that minute, that day, that afternoon to even have a kick at the can.
So a lot of times right now, guys, we want to be prepared for when you guys go out and look at a house. You want to be prepared for that offer. And really it starts with getting an application with us, right? Getting us the docs that we require so you know for certain, here is your limit. You're going to look at a house.
Am I writing an offer with seller concessions? Am I not?
Do I need them?
Do I need them? If I don't need them,
Yep.
you're going to talk with your agent. You're going to lean on that conversation. Hey, if you want an opportunity, a strong opportunity to put your best foot forward on it, on this particular home, we're not going to be able to write for seller concessions because that offer just won't get accepted. There's just going to be too much
competition.
Too much competition. So getting number one, getting pre-approved. Number two, now Jake. So now you get your offer accepted. Next step.
Right, really, then it's getting us the accepted offer. And your real estate agent will send that over to us. But now it's the appraisal factor, right? The homeowner's insurance, the additional documents because of some certain guidelines that investors and banks are going through. We need additional updated pay stubs. So getting us those documentations right away is going to be very, very important and vital to close your loan on time.
And if I'm a borrower, I'm thinking I've got plenty of time. I got 30 or 35 days, but really, in essence, what that means to us, that's maybe 20 business days, right? To be able to get from start to finish, to be able to get it not only ready, like clear to close.
Yep.
So I just talked with an appraiser this morning, actually, and he said that yesterday alone, and in 1 hour period of time, he got 8 orders. He personally got 8 orders.
Which is crazy with the purchase business. And
Wow,
now we're
refis.
talking about refis because rates are very good. So those are getting added into the appraisal mix. And now we're looking maybe, 15 days for an appraisal sometimes?
It could be. Yeah, I mean, it's certainly depending on the location, of the property, what type of property is and that sort of thing. But I mean, if you just cut your time span or time frame in half to be able to get it clear to close. So every day counts.
And what do we always say? Every day matters, right?
Yep, it does.
Every day matters. So if we ask for something, get it to us in 24 hours sometimes, or a same day so we can get it back into the underwriter. And maybe the only thing we're waiting on is an appraisal.
Yep. And homeowners insurance, and there's a lot of moving parts to it. We also want to be able to know if we can do things and expedite things quickly. It gives us time to handle any potential hurdles.
Yep.
So that we're not at the 11th hour. Nobody wants to be there.
Right.
We all felt that pressure. Everybody's like, okay, what's going on here? We're right at the 11th hour. Well, we can best avoid that.
Yep.
By bing, 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 just hitting everything on point.
A lot of stuff with COVID right now, to be honest, is verification of employment. You got to do it a couple times through the loan process to make sure that you are still employed. Self-employment gets a little even more funkier, right? So
Absolutely.
A lot of those details, make sure that we're in good communication before you start looking at houses. And that's really what the pre-approval process really needs to entail for everyone out there. So really call us first, right?
Bottom line, give us a call and let us, give us a call even if it's, we always want to be your first option, but we're more than happy to
second
be a second
opinions.
opinion, a second option.
Yeah.
Some places expedite things a little quicker. Some turn times for some lenders out there and some banking institutions and so forth are 45 days. I've heard some 60 days out, so that's, that's another thing, we can make sure that, we can get your loan closed within that 30-day period of time as long as we got everything in order. So, as always, mortgages are complex.
Let Mortgage Nerds give you the answers you need.